Saturday, November 25th, 2017. I get on the C train local at Kingston and Troop, going to Utica Avenue, where I will exit the train. People are in panic on the C train. People have their feet up on the seats. People are yelling and screaming. And at the front of this car, something sinister seems to be afoot. I don't know what. I turn on my camera and just nonchalantly hold it at my side, not knowing what I would catch on tape. Just that people started moving towards the back of this car that I was in as the train enters the Utica station. And here are the facts after that. It's some type of altercation taking place. I tried to slow down the video to 15% from 100% to see if I could catch it on tape. Who was in this altercation, I don't know. All I know is that somebody is getting a beat down. And I look closer and I wonder what the screams are actually saying. And I try to decipher the screams. And there it comes. It's a fucking rat. It's missing an arm. I don't know if it was kicked off in the altercation or what happened. But the door is closed. Rat was kicked off the motherfucking train. And motherfuckers is still screaming in my fucking ear. And I realize that my headphones are not working, but I'm so scared my damn self. Even of this little fucking rat, I'm scared. But the rat is leaking like a motherfucker. You lost that fight, RATSO. Oh man, look at what's going on.
Fuck. He's so funny.
It should smell too.
Go kick that shit in the tracks out game. I give you the rest of my money. What you said? Go kick it and I'll give you the rest of the money while I'm walking. I'm not kicking that shit. Oh, shit. Yo, that shit was standing up, that shit said